midnight. I'm about to try to feed these goats one last time. It's only about 60 degrees, but I'm gonna turn this heater on for them just because for a little bit. Alright guys, so I take him, I kind of lock him in my legs like a little triangle here. Not hard, just kind of tight enough to keep him secure. He's already knows what's going on, that's why his little mouth's chattering. He's ready, but as soon as I go to get the bottle for him, I still have to force him to open his mouth. Now once he gets it, as long as I line it up right, he should take it every time. Good job, buddy. Typically, I'll rotate them back and forth. Usually, they'll only drink a couple ounces at a time. Sometimes they'll go wild and chug half the bottle, but a lot of times they only want to drink a few ounces and then they kind of want to mosey around. This one likes chewing on it. Gotta work to get it lined up for him. There you go, buddy. There you go. When you can see bubbles in the bottle, you know you're doing good. Learned a new technique on slicing the end of the nipple too, so it frays and it comes out in 3 streams instead of one solid one. Kind of a little more resemblant to what their mother would do. Tapping. You want your turn back? Alright, tell him to get up out of here, bro. Get up out of here, bro. Say it's Big Daddy turn. This little white one is a milk guzzling machine, boy. He gets feisty too. He likes to buck a little bit when he's drinking. Make sure it's not too hot. You want to get your milk between 90 and 100 degrees. What I do is I put hot water in it. I heat up another cup of hot water that I can sit the bottle inside of. I heat it for 1.5 to 2 minutes right before boiling. And then I take the hot water, take this bottle, sit it in the hot water, and let it sit there for about, it's usually by ear, but typically 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. And then you want to make sure that it's warm enough, because if it's too cold, it will curdle in their stomach. So it has to resemble their mother's temperature coming out. I know you're still hungry. You're gonna get more. Your brother's doing in right now. I don't want to stop him. Hey. And they just literally, as soon as I take the bottle from one of them, now I've only had them for like 3 days. But as soon as I take the bottle from one of them, the other one's already getting in my lap. Like they know what time it is. They try to get in between my legs. Look, he likes to turn his head back to me and nibble, telling me, "Come on, man, give it to me. Give me that thing. I'm trying to chug some milk." I always want to tilt the bottle up like this. I know that should be probably common sense, but you want their necks elongated. You want it to resemble how they would have to reach up to get their mother's nipple. Plus they can drink faster this way. They really like to chug it. You can feel it while you're holding them. You can feel it going down their throat when they're sucking right. Sometimes they'll mouth it and they'll drizzle it in their mouth depending on how they're feeling. But usually when they're hungry, once you get them sucking, they're chugging. You know, he would probably drink more than that, but I just typically stop them at like 2 ounces each time. Let their stomachs settle just a little bit. I don't want them to over drink themselves, but I want to make sure both of them get full. So I also don't want either one of them to hog all the milk. This one's a finicky eater, man. There you go. Now he's on hyperdrive. What? Bro, he's about to chug this whole rest of this. I don't know if you guys can hear that sound, but he's going hard. Normally he just chews on it. He's drinking. He must be hungry. I gotta do this every 2 hours. It's been a lot. But it's so gratifying getting them to eat. Watching them put a little weight on. I got these guys, and they weren't in the best situation. Although, so seeing them thrive has been nice.
Is it good, Bobby? Was it good?
Want the rest? I'm gonna knock it out. That's it. 12 ounces gone, boys. Like I said, I gotta do this every 2 hours. It's a lot of work. So if you guys are really thinking about getting baby goats, make sure you have the time for them, because it's a lot. It's gonna stress you out, probably gonna stress your family out. But it is very gratifying. And then, you know, the first day we got them, these guys wouldn't even come around us. And now I can pet them. They come up to me, they jump on me, like they love me. It's a very, very good feeling, being able to earn their trust getting them to eat, getting them to the vet, getting everything done for them, seeing them healthy. I don't know, man. For me, that's more gratifying than money. So that's why I do it. I love these little guys, and hopefully this helps them.